Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm getting a Instagram message from Kurdman Rasal. Man, really, you are so lovely. I can't stop watching your video. Xbox, stop listening. So, and the way when you talk is really cute, heart. So I put thanks. He said, just thanks. I really feel more with you. More what? What else should I say? You don't know? You don't care? You just want to watch the rest of the show? Hold on, he's typing. You don't want to know what he's going to say next? You could care less. That's why you're the best, boo. I don't know how to describe. This reminds me of the ham banana episode when Carl makes a dog and the dog looks like him. Uh, I know I'm sexy, but but I have a beautiful wife. I love you when you talk. I love the way you talk, I think he's trying to say. Just listen to me and rub one out. I know I'm sexy, but I have a beautiful wife. Just listen to me and there we go. Kurdman Rasal can't make your... No, I'm not single. Are you single? No, sir. Straight and married. Thanks, though. Bye-bye. Like bye-bye block or just bye-bye? Just bye-bye. No block. Don't be mean. Whatever. Block them. It's with all the hand signals. I know I'm number one. Okay, handsome. Okay. Enjoy my videos while you ... Alright. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.